Good morning. I'm just doing an audio check and we'll get started. And the audio works. Awesome. CPI has done its job. It's gone to that key level I called out yesterday. Since it went to this key level, I would prefer to sit out until 10:30. 10:30 would probably be the best time to start my trading, because think about it this way: the move has occurred. It just happened. I missed it, and that happens. That's okay, because there's multiple moves later in the week, and also it's sorry, I'm getting distracted. But also it's a CPI release, so it was expected to see this. I'm gonna look at my seasonal charts. I gotta look at the Dixie. Let's see how it's doing. Okay, Dixie's going lower. That's a good sign that I want to go long today. Okay, bonds are going higher. Okay, I guess you could say there's a seasonal shift going on. Okay, I realized when I move my screens, when I'm moving screens up and down, the YouTube video will buffer, so sorry about that. It's nice. Seasonally, this thing wants to go lower. I don't know about that though. I don't know. Because it was such a large expansion, PM session could just be consolidating. I mean, because it was such a large expansion, AM session could just be consolidating. So I really don't want to dip my toes in the water until I got like a really good read on price. Then I'll see what I'll do, but at the moment I don't see a setup. Yeah. this week's. I'm looking for an entry. But it's gonna be like a short-term entry. There we go. There we go. Let's put it back down here. Let's take you out here. Let's think. It's 9:45. We're in an outlier. I like that. Try to get in. I don't like where my stop is. One contract it is. But I really like what just happened. That's really nice. Here, I'm gonna reveal it right now. Look at that. Oh, that's perfect. Do you see that? My mitigation blocks are yellow. Look at that. And I want to see rocket fuel right here. Rocket fuel. There we go. we go. Y'all know what this is? Rocket fuel for me, baby. Come on. I know you want to. Just spool for me. Just go faster. Just quicker. Faster than you did last time. Come on. Oh yeah, there she goes. She's about blow the socks off of every concept out there. She's about blow up. Come on. Come on. Come on, girl. Damn. Give her time, she's getting more orders at the old high. I was about to get in, but I see that right there. Let's see that. I'm gonna take a risk. Fuck, why is it? Okay, I'm gonna take the risk because I'm trusting it's gonna close here, but I don't know that until it closes. That's the risk I'm taking, not the I'm just gonna assume it's gonna go higher. No, I'm taking the risk. Here, I'll show you. I'm assuming this is going to close inside here. That's enough for me to trust it's going to keep going higher. But the risk is the fact that it has not closed inside here, but I'm assuming it's going to close inside here. Well, actually, fuck. I don't care what the 2-minute does. I care what the 5-minute will do. I'm trusting that this is going to close inside here or here. As long as we close inside here, we could consolidate, and I trust we'll go to my take profit. But what kind of trader would I be if I didn't take at least like that? That's good. That's even better. But it's a 2-minute, so I really don't care. I could care less. She got 3 minutes. Come on. 3 minutes of consolidation. And then she got another 5 minutes to expand. Out. No. I'm off. I'm offside. I am offside. Yeah. Because I'm thinking, wait, we're tagging a PG ray. We got a footprint right here. Yeah, no. Multiple moves out there. Anyways, I didn't like where my stop was. Wait, was I even trading the right count? 9. Okay. We made $9 today! Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Come on. Yeah, no. I don't trust it. We got 5 minutes. We're in the macro. Macro hit this. We could definitely tag this right here. I'm way over my head. Why the hell was I going long? I know why. Yeah. I need to stop doing that. Come on. Come on. I'm gonna just go one short and put that one up here. I'm gonna take it off out down here. Come on, baby. Come on. Give it to me. Give it to me. Come on. You got 5 minutes to retrace. 5 whole minutes. Rocket fuel right now. 1, 2, 3. Oh, shit. Oh, wait. You can't even see the 2 minute. Never mind. But it's rocking. It went lower. Really strong. It's going to keep going lower. Way more stronger than that. Look at it. Wait for it. 1, 2, 3. It's going to do it now. There we go. There we go. Perfect. Please tell me my audio's on. I did this 2 days ago. My audio was off. Okay, let's go. Man, what was I thinking? Why was I going long? Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's crazy. Why was I going long? Like, I literally saw this. I was like, huh, my stop is right. My stop was right there. I was thinking, why am I going long? I want sell one more. Sell one more. That's a lie. Yeah. Yeah, don't trade based off the 2 minute. Come on. You got 2 minutes. 2 minutes, baby girl. 2 minutes. What is it, 57? Two 2 minutes. Like, I'm asking myself, would I want to go long right now? No. I would not want to go long. So I still trust being in the move. But is this high or low probability? It's definitely low probability. But now it's at high resistance. Actually, it might be high and low probability. Why did I get in? Got out. Okay. It's high resistance, low probability. All I gotta do now is just wait. It's not the right time. I wouldn't want to go long. I still wouldn't. Because we got that down there. Okay. I'm gonna go short in a few. Come on. We'll support that. Come on. I just don't believe it's bullish. It's 10:01. Still 10. You ever played bullshit? I don't think it's. I just don't believe it. I don't think it wants to go higher. Got 5 minutes. Five minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Still gonna trade. Look at that. How many minutes do we got? We got another 5. If I do get stopped out, it should use as rocket fuel. And that would mean we're in a low resistance liquidity run higher then. And I would not fear getting in long. But I don't know. I don't think we are in a low resistance liquidity run. No. There's no factors that say it's going higher in a low resistance liquidity run. There's just no signature of that. But then again, I could be missing something. I don't know what I'm missing, but I could be. Four minutes. Then again, I am looking at the 2 minute. The 2 minute suggesting lower prices. 5 minute looks healthy. 15 minute, I just don't see it. 30 minute, I just see lower prices. Also 1 hour, 2 hour, 16 hour. Yeah, 4, 2. Like, where my stop is where I would want to take profit. If I was going long, why would it give it to them, you know? It makes no sense. Why would they just, here you go, here's free money, and 2 minutes. And that might actually stop me out. Off. So we're in a low resistance liquidity run higher. That makes no sense. Does it make sense? How much drawdown am I in? Because I could easily just say I'm off today. I'm done. I'm not. I'm $115 worth in drawdown. Okay, well, I need to analyze what I read wrong. Okay, we're in a low resistance liquidity run, right? Okay, I guess I see the signatures of it. So what am I doing wrong? I'm assuming that has to go here. Well, what's the other thing? If we just hit this, right? So why wouldn't we come back lower? So there's a couple things that's going on. I'm rushing to get in, and I'm trading offside, obviously, because I'm trying to go short. And because I'm rushing a trade, I'm not waiting for the best entry. And I'm also not looking at order flow. Like, I'm not reading the actual chart. I'm just looking at I'm looking at the 2-minute also. So that's not good. That's an order block. Okay, that makes sense. Because here, let me show you my logic for going short. There was these two relative equal lows, right? Looks to the damage. Okay, but no. Long. Long. There we go. I like that. I trust we won't go back down there. What the hell? Where's my stop? Yeah, that's fine. Come on. Ante up. There we go. Come on. Come on. Give it to me. It's a low resistance liquidity. So if you're complaining about what you're getting in and out, yes, I am, because I got more information. It's just $115 worth of drawdown. I'm giving myself the limit of 200. let's just wait and see. It's low resistance, so I could trust this going higher. I could trust this being a mitigation block. Normally, because the previous days have been what do you call it? Have been high resistance. This would have been the most pregnant PD array. But because we're in a low resistance, we should be going up here. Okay. Okay. My stop is generous. I have a very generous stop then. I mean, take profit. My take profit is very generous at the moment. Yeah. Well, let's say best. Best case would be right here. Sell one. Just over there. 14, we're an outlier. If I get stopped out, I'm calling it quits for the day. But I don't think I will. Yeah. If it really is a low resistance liquidity run, I should see at least my first take profit get hit, and then I should see my best case scenario get hit. Because if being honest, my best case scenario has to be here. That would be the best case scenario. But that would be like holding on all day long. I got time today. I got nowhere to go. Rocket fuel. Oh, it's so made for that. Come on. Can't marry the bias either. Okay, I think I got it down. 2 hour high resistance, 5 hour high resistance, 15 high resistance, 30-minute low, 1 hour low, 16 low, daily low. Oh yeah, I'm definitely confident in this move. But I'm still gonna look for reasons why I could be wrong, in the sense of what's in the way. Like, what's in the way of me getting my best case scenario? Something's in the way. Okay. Seasonally, we shouldn't be going higher. I guess well, seasonally, we should not be going lower either. Something in the way. Okay, 2-minute is high resistance. There's a 5-minute order block. 5 minutes also high resistance. So if I were to take some off, it'd be right now. But because we're in a low resistance liquidity run, I wouldn't want to. I would be confident to just keep what's on the table right now and just let it go higher. Something in the way. got 10 minutes. And then in 1 minute, we have the 2040 macro. And that's going to be exciting. Actually, no, it won't be, because we have that 5-minute order block. But 30 will be exciting. So 30 to 40 will be exciting. I predict that 20 to 30 is going to retrace. I just see it. Unless, yeah, 20 to 30 hits this, we're definitely retracing to that 5-minute order block. It's 20. Okay, I'm noticing that I'm looking at the 2 and the 5-minute way too much. I gotta focus on this. Got 8 minutes. Come on. Come on. There's been an immediate rebalance on the 5-minute. So that's the order block I'm talking about. There's been an immediate rebalance. Fair value gap. I want to see if we could use that as rocket fuel and just boom, hit my take profit. Should I be using time? Okay, now I can spool. And we're 2 minutes into the macro. We got 3 minutes to spool. I want to see a spool higher. But there's 2 points that are very sensitive at the moment, and it wants to go lower. If it takes that low, well, if it goes to 390, 385, yeah, if it goes to 385, I'm screwed. Because that's going to cause rocket fuel. To the downside. 385, no, we're not hitting it yet. One minute, and we took out 385. No. Is it 5 yet? We got 30 more minutes until 25, 10:25. Come on, come on, come to Papa, come to Daddy. Okay. I want to see how it responds to the low of this implied fair value gap. What's the regular chart doing? Big gap right there. Big gap right there. So there's some big gaps. Okay, that's good. Alright, this half could just go and take my first what am I saying? This candle that just opened up can take my first sell limit order. But I need to do with speed. Because it already retraced in the lower time frames. If it keeps retracing, I think I'm getting stopped out. Yeah, something like that. That's fine. I think my stop is safe for now. We are consolidating. So I think we injected the market with sellers. I think it's time it starts rallying higher. You know, like those quick moves should entice buying and selling. So I'm assuming now we could just start spooling higher. We got 25 minutes. not bad. I guess I got checkmate. Alright, I'm done for the day. I am not gonna trade anymore. I took a what, 100. It's gonna be 100 and some 200. I mean, it's gonna be 200 and something. Come on, come on, boom. You know, I think it's only necessary to take a loss and see how I come back from it. Plus 6, 221. Subtract that by 8. Wait, but I did have like a $9 win. 857. I mean, 855. I'm at 624. Lit. Let's get back from it. We got next week. I mean, well, we have tomorrow. We have next week. We have the day after that. I just gotta see, what did I do wrong? We entered here. Was there any other PD array I missed? There's that. Should have noted that. What else did I miss? Well, I went long here. I thought we were going to go back down here. I could probably go back down here now. So I'm gonna just sit and watch price for a little bit, and then I'm gonna head out. My stop was at this fair value gap. 15-minute high resistance, 30-minute high resistance, 1 hour low resistance. You know, it was just an off day. That's it. That's all it is. Just an off day. Tomorrow we'll come back better than ever, you know. It's nice. I also was doing 2 contracts. I should have been methodical about it though. gotta wait. I still think we could go higher. Yeah, that's nice. So that is found on the weekly. The weekly had an inverse fair value gap. That's that's 50% of the inverse fair value gap. This is a daily. We got that right there. What's that? Wednesday. Okay. Just that down there. At the current moment, I don't know what the market wants to do. Seasonally, it wants to go lower. Currently, it's going higher. I think it wants to go lower. I think this is just a high resistance. Well, I think on the daily. Just turn this into a daily. I think on the daily, it's a high resistance liquidity run lower. I think price does want to go lower. It's just gonna take a while for it to do so. Because look at these relative equal lows. So I think this could turn into the order block I mentioned earlier. I thought we would go all the way here. I don't think we will. Because look at the weekly. Let's take this off. Because that's my draw, right? That's my draw. This was my short-term draw. I didn't acknowledge this right here. First, second quarter levels. We could still go. We tagged that today. Today being what's today? Today being Wednesday. So we could definitely retrace now back into this. I'll take the loss. I'll take the loss. I'll be back tomorrow. I'll be back tomorrow. And I'm gonna make it back up. Actually, I need to make half of what I lost today. It's best if I just make half of what I lost. Because now I'm back at 600. That's funny. How the hell does that happen? I'll tell you how it happens. You don't have risk management. That's the one thing I need to work on, my risk management. Alright, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna work on risk management. What was the lowest my account has gone to? I think the lowest has been at 400, right? Pretty sure that's why I started. I started with $400. Well, capital. I started with 400 worth of capital. And let me see. Yeah, 400. Yeah, I think the lowest has been 475. 475. And we're back at 6. That's not bad. Man, and I knew I trusted my insight. I just knew it was going to go lower. It made no sense for it to go higher. And I'll tell you guys why I thought that. So this is a low resistance signature, right? It didn't go lower, it went higher. It didn't go lower, well, it did go lower, but it went higher predominantly. But now, look at the 4 hour. We did not retrace at all to first and second quarters of this candle. First and second quarters is a concept I've created. It did not go to first and second quarter levels when we had a PD rate. It went first to the drawn price. So now that's why I was trying to go short, because I'm thinking, well, we could go short, but what was I doing? I was going in short here. I had to wait for that. And then I was going short here. Okay. So what's the lesson in that? Wait, sit out, be patient. I don't know what other lesson that would be, but I think I was coming in with the mindset of I'm gonna make money, because I was up 800, right? I was up 800, and I was thinking how I'm gonna get closer to my goal, right? Once I make $2,000, I'm gonna go back to regular size contracts. I'm gonna run it up to the 10K and do the funded stuff and all that yada yada bullshit. But it, I guess that got in my head. I was like, I gotta make money. I'm gonna make money. I feel cocky. I feel confident. You know, I'm gonna make money. Here we are in drawdown. So I guess I gotta stick with the concepts of I gotta wait for my draw to get hit. And I guess another thing that I failed at was looking at the higher time frames. Yeah, I failed looking at the higher time frames because I was too busy looking at the 2 minute, 5 minute, because I wanted quick setups. If I see it, I'm getting in. Maybe that's not such a bad thing, because I do see quick setups, and you guys even notice it. I'm up for a little bit, and then I get stopped out, right? Why? Because I keep asking for my best case scenario. And my best case scenario usually gets hit when I get stopped out. So what I should be doing is, if I'm so used to getting in, I should just be scalping those and getting in and out, in and out. But I want hold for longer trades. So either I turn off the 5 and the 2, which would be best, wouldn't it, if I just take off the 5 and the 2 and I submit to the 15 only. Yeah, that's literally what I was doing before. Why am I gonna reinvent the wheel? Okay. My laptop is gonna be the weekly, daily, and 16-hour. That one's gonna be my 4-hour, 2-hour, 8-hour. And the chart that I'm live streaming on will stay the same. Like the 1 hour, it went up first. It left this inefficiency here. I don't trust it. I don't trust that. We're coming back to this right here. What is that? What's that based on? What the hell? Why is this orange? I thought this was a new opening gap. My new week opening gaps are red. That would have made more sense. Well, I guess now that we tagged the new week opening gap, we could start going higher. Unless this becomes some resistance and we start going back lower, but I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, you know what? I'm no longer gonna use the 2 and 5 minute unless I can't see a single PDR rate to justify something. I'll go use the 2 and the 5, but there's no reason for me to use the 2 minute and 5 minute. I'm not. Like, the outcome is getting in every 2 minute entry, and that's not smart. Not at the moment. I feel like once I get more reacquainted with what I know, I'll be able to get in and out of the 2 minute. But at the moment, 2 minutes just, it's like trying to trade the 5 second. I'm gonna be hit or miss. I'm gonna close the stream in 5 minutes. Just wanted to see what price would do. Yeah, I guess blinding myself was the lesson I learned. Don't blind yourself. This is high resistance. I wouldn't trust getting in short here. I would trust going short like right here. We got the 2 minute here. That's the key level I'm looking at. And I just realized that we have a new week opening gap that opened larger. We have engineer liquidity on the bottom. We could definitely go to this right here. Yeah, that right there looks nice. I think we could go deeper. But I might take like till PM session. Yeah, that's good. So now I want to study why did this not retrace deeper. Did first, second chord levels. Yeah, I don't know why. So isn't that beautiful? Look at how it's gonna just drop lower. It's gonna tag this, maybe retrace back higher, then come back low to this. Because this is engineer liquidity. So I was both equally right and wrong, and look how I lost all that money. Capital. That's interesting. After a valley gap. I guess tomorrow I'm just gonna have to come with a different mindset. I gotta be better prepared. Look at how, do you see how it's, now my bias is that it wants to go lower, right? But do you see how it's trading back higher first? And it's not just trading lower first. If it trade lower first, that's low resistance, right? But it's also probability that we're going to trade back higher. But look how we're trading higher first. That's high resistance. But it's high probability we're going to see this get taken out. But yeah, I'm done. I'll take the loss. I think it's only responsible for me to take the loss. I'll be back tomorrow morning at 6:30. Well, I mean 6:30 California time, but I'll be back here 9:30 New York time. Peace. And stream.